The NTC High Standard Decorative Paper Impregnation line achieves a precision of 1 to 3 grams per square meter. The first-step dipping machine features a stable structure, smooth operation, full paper stretching, consistent temperature resin impregnating, and high metering accuracy. The overall design of the first-step dipping machine incorporates thick steel platens assembly, ensuring operational stability and precise glue coating accuracy. The rotary cutter adjusts its speed based on the line speed controlled by a servo motor, cutting paper accuracy reached to 1 millimeter. Welcome to Choose NTC to support your production needs.